Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the realities of software engineering. More specifically, in this video, I'm going to talk about common misconceptions about being a software engineer, the realities of that comes with the job of software engineering, and common pitfalls to avoid as a software engineer. So without further ado, let's get right to it. We're going dark. So common misconceptions about being a software engineer is software engineers only write code. While coding is a fundamental part of software engineering, it is not the only task, right? Software engineers also engage in meetings, documentation, testing, and collaboration with other team members. There's also software engineering requires advanced math skills. Many people believe that being a software engineer requires being exceptionally good at math. However, most software engineering roles require only basic arithmetic and logical reasoning. Software engineers work alone. That's another misconception. Contrary to the belief that software engineering is a solitary job, it is actually a collaborative effort that requires teamwork and communication with various stakeholders. You have software engineers always work on new code. A significant portion of a software engineer's work involves maintaining and updating existing code, known as legacy code, rather than creating new code from scratch. Software engineering lacks creativity. The profession is often perceived as purely technical and lacking of creativity. In reality, software engineering requires creative problem solving and innovation to develop effective and user-friendly software solutions. Software engineers can work from anywhere. That's a misconception. While theoretically possible, the ability to work remotely depends on company policies, time zones, and tax regulations, which can limit this flexibility. Before I get into the realities of software engineering, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. So being a software engineer comes with a mix of challenges and rewards, and the realities of the job can be quite different from the glamorous image that is often portrayed. So some of the challenges is workload and stress, right? That's a reality. Software engineering is demanding and can involve long hours, tight deadlines, and high levels of stress. The work-life balance can be difficult to maintain, and burnout is a common issue in this space. You have monotony and meetings, right? The job often includes repetitive tasks, numerous meetings, which can, it's necessary for team alignment, but it can detract from the more enjoyable aspects of coding to some people. You have imposter syndrome. Many software engineers experience imposter syndrome, right? Where they doubt their skills despite being competent. This is compounded by a rapid pace of technological change, requiring constant learning and adaptation. You have the limited innovation. Companies often prioritize tried and true methods over innovation to maximize profits, which can stifle creativity and lead to frustration for engineers looking to implement new ideas. Now, it's not all bad, right? It's not all bad. There are some rewards that come with it. You have high salary and benefits. Software engineering is a well-paid profession with competitive salaries and benefits. This industry offers one of the lower barriers to entry among white-collar professions, making it accessible to many. You have remote work opportunities. The field offers flexibility, including options to work from home, which can enhance work-life balance for some. You have career growth. There is a decent upward mobility in the field, with opportunities for advancement and specialization as engineers gain experience and skills. You have job satisfaction. Despite the challenges I just talked about, many engineers find satisfaction in problem solving and the impact of their work on digital experiences. So overall, while software engineering is not without its difficulties, like many roles in IT especially, it remains an attractive career for those who enjoy coding and are prepared for the demands of the job. So here are some common pitfalls to avoid as an aspiring software engineer, or if you are in a current role, avoid these common pitfalls. So insufficient planning and requirement analysis, right? Diving into coding without proper planning can lead to scope creep, delays, and poor outcomes. It is essential to define clear objectives, user needs, and project scope up front, gathering requirements, defining project milestones, and creating a detailed development plan can provide a solid foundation and minimize costly rework later on. Poor communication and collaboration, right? Avoid this one too. Lack of effective communication among team members, stakeholders, and clients can lead to misunderstandings and project delays. Encouraging open communication channels, using collaboration tools, and documenting discussions are vital. Regular updates and addressing concerns promptly can foster a collaborative work environment. You have neglecting proper testing and quality assurance. Overlooking testing can result in bugging software and security vulnerabilities. Implementing a comprehensive testing strategy, including unit tests, integration tests, and user acceptance testing, is essential to identify and rectify issues early, ensuring a stable and reliable product. You have lack of version control and documentation. Without version control, tracking changes, and collaborating effectively, it becomes challenging, right? Utilizing systems like Git and maintaining proper documentation for code, project requirements, and decisions are crucial for knowledge sharing and future reference. Another important pitfall to avoid is overlooking security considerations, right? Ignoring security during development can lead to data breaches and compromised user information. Security should be a top priority from the outset, following best practices for secure coding and regular updating software to address vulnerabilities. So there's also the aspect of failure to optimize performance, right? Neglecting performance optimization can lead to slow response times and frustrated users, right? Implementing performance testing early, identifying bottlenecks, and optimizing code and database queries are necessary to ensure good performance under various conditions. You have not embracing continuous learning and improvement, right? The field of software development is continuously evolving. Staying updated with the latest industry trends, attending conferences, and engaging in knowledge-sharing communities can enhance skills and deliver cutting-edge solutions, okay? So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know if there are other realities of software engineering that I avoided, right? Please let me know in the comment section below. Again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button again. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.